If you're experiencing login issues with Targetprocess, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password feature on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use this work to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Targetprocess support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you receive. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login problems efficiently. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.